Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Instagram to Discord account. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once the app opens, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. Tap on it to open your account settings. Inside this section, you will see a gear or settings icon next to your username. Tap on that to access all the account options available to you. Now scroll down a little until you find an option called Connections. This is where Discord allows you to connect other social accounts like Spotify, Steam, or YouTube. However, if you look carefully, there is no direct option to connect Instagram here. That means Discord does not have a built-in integration for Instagram yet. So we will do it manually by adding our Instagram profile link to the domain section. To do that, scroll down again and tap on the section called Domain or Custom Link. It will ask you to enter a link or URL that you want to display on your Discord profile. This is where we will paste the link to our Instagram account. Now open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. When your profile page opens, you will see an option that says Share Profile. Tap on it, and then tap on Copy Link. This will copy your Instagram profile link to your clipboard. After copying the link, go back to the Discord app and open the same domain or custom link section again. Paste your Instagram profile link in the field provided. Then confirm or save the changes. Now your Instagram link will appear on your Discord profile. Thanks for watching.